everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today I want to talk to you about what everyone should have in their little toolbox, whether it's home or professional. You always want an extended magnet, because after about 3 hours of working on a car and you keep dropping that same bolt, it's not fun getting on your knees. He even has a little light attached to it. Nice. And then the mirror. Extended mirror, angles all around. Get up in there and look, see where the leak is. Always handy. They have a nice rubberized handle and a pocket clip. And it comes with a little 1/4 inch, 4.25 inch diameter magnet tray. Magnets on the back. Put all your little nuts and bolts in there, and you're ready to go. If you like this tool or any other tool, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.